Hello traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to stack trades in Forex. Okay, stacking trades refers to opening multiple positions in the same direction as a trend develops. All right, so the first step is to identify a clear trend. All right, stacking trades work best in strong trends. For example, we can see that we are on the XAU USD chart and we have a strong bullish trend, right? You can use tools like trend lines or maybe moving averages, you know, um, and also pay attention to market structure. All right. So now the second step is to enter the first position. Okay, you can place the first trade based on your strategy. Of course, you have to have a strategy, right? So based on your strategy, you place the first trade. Then the third step is going to be to add additional positions. So for example, let's say I'm having, after placing my first trade, right? Let's say um based on my strategy, for example, maybe I'm waiting for price to get to, because I know that the trend is strongly bullish, maybe I'm waiting for price to get to, a particular level on a lower time frame, maybe swing lows on a lower time frame. So when price gets to swing low on a lower time frame, I can consider adding another buy trade, another buy position. Okay, so as the trend continues, okay, that in that case, that's going to be when price is going down. Okay, but now let us focus on when price is actually trending, when price is actually going in our direction. Okay, so as the trend continues, right, let's say we have already executed our first buy trade. All right, so as the price continues going in our direction, okay, i can add a new position. All right, for example, if the price pulls back, maybe it pulls back a bit, maybe not too far away from my entry, or maybe it pulls back to a swing low on a lower time frame or something like that, right? I can add another position. Okay, then maybe you have a breakout, maybe like a breakout from this moving average now, for example, or maybe a breakout from this bearish trend line. I can add another position. All right, maybe the breakout from whatever pattern that shows continuation in the direction of my trade, I can add a position, right? So basically it involves adding positions when you have some level of confirmation that price is going in your direction. Okay, but you need to ensure that you manage risk carefully. That is the fourth step, right? Each added trade increases total exposure, so risk management becomes very, very important. Now, a quick recap for you: to stack trades, you need to identify a strong trend. You enter the first position, you add positions during pullbacks or breakouts, then you manage your total risk exposure. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.